Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。今天我们教大家呢，就是疑似东西的客家话好了。And today let's talk about something that is just very unfortunate. We hope it doesn't happen. It's sad and depressing, and that is losing stuff. It could be from anything tiny as your wallet, or to even your entire car. OK， 但是呢，有的时候掉东西呢，还是会有好心的人士。比如说我在走着，突然间钱包掉了 ，and you dropped your wallet or your purse, and then of course they're gonna come up and say, "Hey, sorry, you dropped your purse."
唔嘅皮包诶跌脱咧，
唔嘅皮包诶，就是你的皮包，对不对？
对。
唔嘅皮包诶，
跌脱咧，
跌脱咧，
就是掉了。
Okay, that means dropped it. Okay, 所以掉了任何东西都可以用这个嘛，对不对？
跌脱咧，
跌脱咧。Okay, or sometimes you just lost a very simple thing like your glasses. Okay, 我找不到我的眼镜，那这句话怎么说？
爱寻到爱嘅木匠，
爱寻唔到哦，就是我找不到 ，I can't find。
爱嘅木匠，
爱嘅木匠啊，顺便教到一个生字，木匠
就是眼镜
哦，眼镜。然后呢，最惨的 ，the worst case scenario is losing your car. That means someone has stolen your car. That's not even losing it. 那已经不是掉了，那是被偷了。所以他的车子被偷了。对。
自己踩诶，本人偷走咧。
哦，自己踩就是他的车子 ，right？
对
，his car， 自己踩。
本人。
本人。
偷走嘞，
偷走嘞 ，OK， 就是别人是不是？
被人家偷走了，被人偷走了。
那如果说我的心被偷走了，也可以这样子吗？
我的心被偷走了。
真的吗？可以吗？哦、see, this is a different scenario. My heart was stolen.
我们教一下海陆腔的你我他。
哦，你我他，哦，这是很简单的东西，其实两个这个腔调就不太一样。
我们先从四线开始。
Okay, we're gonna teach you the simple differences between dialects. The Hailu dialect and the Sixian dialect is different for you, me, and him or her.
四线的，
四线的，that's 你是不是？
对
，that's you, okay?
爱
that's me.
己
that means him or her, okay?
好，海陆咯。你
Okay, this is a different dialect. For you is 你
爱
that's me.
己
就是 him or her, okay?
你爱己，
你爱己就是海陆，
爱己，
爱己就是四线。
Yeah!
你我他 you, him, and her. All right, that does it for today's practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.